This is Atarian News Channel, and here are the big stories of the day. Anthropic just launched something called Claude which, let's be honest, sounds like a chatbot that wears a trench coat and has security clearance higher than your mom's Wi Fi password. It's an AI specifically built for US national security agencies, strategic planning, intelligence analysis, operational support. Basically, if it involves classified material, Claude is your guy, or bot, or digital spy overlord. These models are apparently less panicky, meaning they refuse less when asked to handle classified info, not ominous at all. They've also been trained in critical languages and dialects, so if someone whispers classified op in Farsi, Claude's listening. And yes, before you panic, they've been safely tested. Allegedly, Anthropic's teaming up with Palantir and AWS to get these models out of defense customers. Skynet would be proud. WordPress Civil War. FAIR manager tries to fix the mess. So WordPress has been in shambles. You thought family holidays were tense? Try watching WordPress co-creator Matt Mullenweg, his company Automatic, the WordPress Foundation, and a rival company called WP Engine all legally wrestle over who controls updates and plugins. Enter the Linux Foundation with the FAIR package manager. It's an attempt to decentralize the WordPress update process and stop the yo-yo of doom, where one company says update now and the other says not so fast. The goal: make plugin delivery fair and neutral so devs stop rage quitting and users stop walking up to broken sites. Honestly, WordPress politics make Game of Thrones look like Bluey. If you bought a suspiciously cheap Android TV box, projector, tablet, or smart fridge from an online marketplace and it said made in China, well, congrats, you might have joined the Bad Box 2.0 botnet. This thing is a malware campaign so big the FBI is sounding sirens. Over a million devices infected. That's not a bot, that's a criminal nation state with HDMI ports. It turns your device into a residential proxy, hides cybercriminal activity, launches credential stuffing attacks, and steals ad money. And it does all this while you're watching Bridgerton. Even Germany tried to shut it down earlier this year by cutting its comms, and yet 192,000 new infections were found a week later. These hackers are persistent, man. Worse news, Badbox has started infecting real brands now. Hisense, Yandex. If your TV boots up and salutes you in binary, it's too late. Tom Hiddleston's about to break your brain and your heart in the life of Chuck, a Mike Flanagan directed adaptation of a Stephen King novella. It's dropping June 13 and it's not your usual horror story. It's three tales in reverse about one guy's life, death, and the world collapsing in between. Critics are saying this could redefine the genre. So bring tissues and existential crisis, buddy, and prepare to have your soul emotionally jump scared. You thought the original Nintendo Switch was hard to fix? I fixed it, just retroactively dropped its repairability score to 4 out of 10. Then they checked out the new Switch 2 and started crying. Oh no, it's worse. A solid 3 out of 10. That's lower than my sleep score after launch week. The battery glued in like your regrets. The storage and USB C ports soldered straight to the motherboard. So, unless your idea of fun involves soldering irons and heartbreak, you probably shouldn't DIY this thing. And hey, if it breaks, just buy a new one, right? Well, that's the way capitalism works. Simulations now show that dark matter isn't just floating around creepily, it's swirling in ghostly spiral arms around galaxies. Like it's at a cosmic dance party no one else was invited to. Is it art? Or is it physics? Or is it an interstellar haunted house? Well, jury's out. Optima Tax Relief, the folks who say they'll help you fight the IRS, just got hit by the Chaos ransomware gang. They claim to have stolen 69 GB of sensitive data. So, if you gave them your info, Chaos might have it too now. Let's just hope your accountant doesn't moonlight as a hacker. Maya Goth, horror queen of Pearl, X, and Max Sign has officially joined the Star Wars universe in a villain role. I mean, probably. Rumor is she's replacing Mikey Madison after some money drama, and she's working with Sean Levi, who directed Deadpool and Wolverine. The movie drops May 28, 2027. That gives them 2 full years to come up with a name cooler than Anora. Apple just lost billions in the EU because of a comma. European regulators interpreted a single punctuation mark to mean Apple can't charge external fees anymore. That's one expensive typo. Grammar nerds rise up. Ohio based Kettering Health confirmed they were hit by Interlock ransomware. Patient info may have been compromised and operations were briefly disrupted. Cybersecurity in hospitals is no joke. Let's hope this gets contained fast. The US is finally trying to seize $7.74 million it froze over 2 years ago. It's from fake IT workers, North Korean agents who pretended to be freelance devs, got tired by US companies, then sent the money home to fund. Well, not cat videos. And the crazy part is that they were allegedly helped by folks in China and Hong Kong. So always double check that remote software engineer isn't working for Pyongyang. In a legal twist we didn't see coming, the Supreme Court just ruled that Doge can access social security data. No, not Dogecoin. Some actual government entity acronym Doge. Still, it feels like the meme became real, right? Yacht Club Games, the fox behind Shovel Knight, just announced that Mina the Hollower is launching October 31. It's a retro style Game Boy color inspired top down adventure with a whip wielding mouse who digs underground like a furry Indiana Jones. The demo is live now, and get this, your progress carries over into the final game. Let the burrowing begin. Alright, that's the wrap up on today's Ataria news. From shadowy AIs to haunted galaxies and hacked hospitals. We covered it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe tape some tinfoil to your smart TV, just in case it's watching you.